Hello. Recently, I have a problem with my LG fridge and freezer. They started not cooling enough, and everything looks good. The compressor was working, I thought, and there was an air coming from the fan. I did all the troubleshooting that on YouTube. However, it's still not cooling. So I called a technician, and he came, and the moment he saw the fridge, he said that this is a known problem for LG fridge. Those fridges usually have a problem with their uh, compressors. The compressors really, LG did a very bad job with the compressors for this module, and this is the module. And also, you might see here, this is the module that we speak about. So the problem actually is laying with here, with this guy in here. This is the compressor, and usually those compressors with those serial number, those are bad compressors. So what I did actually, I called LG and I told them about the issue, and I let them know that I know that there's a lawsuit about that, and they advised me to set a ticket, and they send a technician and change the compressor, and the fridge is working again. So what I will advise everybody really to call the company, the LG company, and let them know about the lawsuit that's happening about this module, even if your fridge is out of warranty, and they'll come and fix it for you, I hope. Thank you, and I hope that this video was beneficial for people whose fridges are not cooling, especially LG fridges. Bye bye.